In the previous module, we have addressed verbal communication and some of the key cross-cultural differences we need to be aware of in intercultural contexts. In this module, we will explore different aspects of nonverbal communication. When interacting with others, our nonverbal behavior plays a significant role as well. Recall that people from high-context cultures pay closer attention to nonverbal signals. Before we start our exploration of nonverbal aspects of communication, it is important to mention that verbal and nonverbal aspects of our communication behavior should not be viewed as two separate entities, rather, they are interrelated parts of the communication process as a whole. In this module, we will address the three aspects of nonverbal communication. The first one is kinesics. It addresses the use of body language. The second aspect we will discuss in this module is proxemics, the perception and use of space. Finally, we will explore chronemics, the perception and use of time in different cultures. These aspects of nonverbal behavior are culture dependent. However, as we mentioned earlier in this course, it is important to keep in mind that, when qualifying certain perceptions or uses of nonverbal behavior within the context of a particular culture, we are outlining the central tendencies in that culture. We need to be aware that there are variations within a given culture, as well as across the individuals from a particular culture. It is also important to remember that nonverbal behavior is in the observable part of the cultural iceberg, and it is influenced by the cultural norms and values, the elements of the iceberg that are under the surface.